Karnataka's Food Safety and Drug Administration Department has intensified inspections of eateries following directions from Health and Family Welfare Minister U.T. Khadir. Surprise raids on August 9 uncovered serious hygiene violations at several establishments, including premium eateries. Officials seized and destroyed 132 kilograms of unfit food and 15 liters of reused cooking oil during the drive. The most serious violations were reported at Sky Lounge at UB City, where officials sealed the kitchen over unhygienic conditions. They found 51 kilograms of unfit food, including 45 kilograms of rotten chicken and beef and 6 kilograms of vegetable cutlets. 15 liters of reused cooking oil was also seized. Inspectors found rotten, fungus-covered meat and expired dairy products. Milk and curd were found to be 10 days past their expiry date. Other establishments were also found storing food unfit for consumption. At the Royal Chain Hotel, officials destroyed 55 kilograms of meat, including 15 kilograms of duck and 5 kilograms of fish. Madras Kitchen was found with 5 kilograms of expired green peas, while Tescon Hotel had 5 kilograms of mushroom. At Sanchez Hotel, officials seized 10 kilograms of food, including 3 kilograms of fish and 7 kilograms of cakes, potatoes and tacos. The department said all the seized food was declared unfit and destroyed immediately under food safety protocols. The establishments have been warned that further violations of the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 could lead to strict action, including possible suspension of operating license.